Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the Odyssey. We're still out here in Central Florida, and we're just footsteps away from the ocean, the Atlantic Ocean. I didn't drive all this way to not come here. So, I'm gonna enjoy it. And I'm gonna try not to get sunburned. I need to go put some sunblock on and splash around in this here ocean before I depart in the coming days. Because our time has nearly wrapped up here in Central Florida. We came to do some things, and we accomplished most of our mission. We've got a little bit left to do, some pictures to take. But we're there. We came, we saw, and we're still conquering. So, I'm gonna get back to what I was doing. You get back to what you were doing. See you next time. Peace.